How to add Etsy shop to Wix website. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Etsy shop to Wix website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix and Etsy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Etsy, it is a prominent online marketplace designed to connect independent artists, crafters, and collectors with buyers seeking unique handmade or vintage items. And the platform allows sellers to create a personal storefronts where they can list a diverse range of products including jewelry, clothing, home decor, art, and craft supplies. And now from here, to start creating an account, you can simply click the link in the description. And after signing in, it will show in here that you have now successfully signed in your account. And just proceed by simply creating your store in here. But if you already have a store on Etsy, to start adding it on our Wix website, from here just simply go to our Wix and just simply sign in our account in here. And after signing in, it will show in here that you can start creating a new site by clicking this create new site button and choose your template depending on your preferences. But at this point, as you can see, I've already created different kind of website in here. So I'm just going to select this one and we'll be able to be directed on this dashboard. And now to start editing our website, just click the edit site button on the top right corner under this website section. By clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page where we can start customizing this Wix website. And now to start adding our Etsy shop in here, the first thing that we need to do is to simply create or install the Wix store in here. And to do that, kindly proceed by going on the left side panel or the editing tools that you can find in here and proceed by clicking this add apps. And by clicking on it, it will show you in here the Wix app market. And after that, just proceed by clicking this search bar in here, in which it will show us a variety of options to choose from by just search Wix store. So can I click this result below here that says Wix stores, and upon clicking on it, it will show us in here the result. And all we need to do is simply click on it to start installing it. Then you will be able to be directed on this page and it will show you the overview and the install button right here. So you should simply install the Wix store in here to start adding our Etsy shop on this website. And after installing the Wix store, the next thing that we need to do is to click the search bar on the left side panel in here again and search for Etsy integration. And by clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed in here. And just proceed by simply clicking this Etsy integration. By clicking on it, it will show us in here the overview about this application. But just click add to site button. However, as you can see in here, it need to have an upgrade account in order to start adding this to our site. But since we only have using a free account, we'll not be able to add this kind of application to our website. So you can simply upgrade now your account in here or compare different kind of plans in here that you can choose from to start using the Etsy integration and integrate your Etsy shop in here. We have here Business Elite, Business Core, and Lite plan. But going back in here once again, let's assume that this application Etsy integration is now been added. All we need to do is simply sign in our Etsy account so that we can start integrating our Etsy shop in here. And after that, if you go back to our dashboard in here, it will show us on this catalog section on the left side panel. And you should see here all the products included in our Etsy shop after integrating or adding the Etsy shop in our Wix website. And from here, you could also set up on the Wix the payment methods that you prefer, or also using the Etsy account in here. So basically, in terms of payment options, you can choose either way, which is Wix or using your Etsy account. But to start adding or creating another products on Etsy store or shop, just click the shop manager button in here on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show us in here the option or a different kind of stage, but just click the stock your shop button. And from here under this category, just simply enter or search here the category of the product that you want to add to your shop on Etsy, which also be able to be integrated in our Wix website. From here, you could choose either physical item or digital, and who made it, what is it, which is a finished product, when was it made, and how does your shop produce this item. So basically, just simply answer all of the question with the given choices in here. And after filling out all this required information, you can now proceed by clicking Save and Continue button and fill out all of the required information once again in here, such as the description of it, the title of it, and any other product details in here that are necessary, in which we are also required to enter here the price and inventory, the different kind of variations, tags and attributes, details, and many more. And let's say we've already added or created another product that we're going to sell in our Etsy shop, and eventually the product that we just created will also be added in our Wix website in here. So if you go to our Wix website, catalog, or products, you should be able to see here the product from Etsy shop, in which that is the purpose of Etsy integration that we're going to install in here, but you should have an upgrade account in order to install it. So you should see here the product from Etsy shopping here after installing the application. So basically, by connecting Etsy shop to Wix website, sellers can leverage both platforms to reach a broader audience. So overall, that is just basically how you can add Etsy shop to Wix website. Thank you.